How to install and set up Git and Git Bash on Windows. Firstly, you're just gonna do a Google search for Git and click on the first link here on the search results Git. Come here to download section, click on downloads. Choose the Windows platform. Select the type of architecture that you have. For me, the computer's architecture is 64-bit. So I pick the 64-bit here and let the file download. Once the file is downloaded, just click on the installer to begin the installation. Run. Next, and on this screen here, select components. We're just gonna tick the additional icons here and make sure that the on the desktop is ticked. From now on, you're just gonna click on next for every options here. Next, and install. Wait for the installation to finish. So Git has been installed. To confirm the installation, we're just gonna finish here. If you go to desktop, you'll find the icon of Git Bash and you can launch it. So that's how you can install Git and Git Bash. Also, if you right click on any point on desktop, you'll find two options here, Open Git GUI and Open Git Bash. So that means it's successfully installed and set up on PC or Windows. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.